Dressing the hydrant. Required equipment. The fire hydrant. 5-inch storts to standard thread hydrant connection. 2.5-inch gate valve. The hydrant wrench. One example of a properly dressed fire hydrant. Today's training will be on 2 common situations for hitting the hydrant. The first is the firefighter dresses the hydrant for a forward lay. As the firefighter steps off the apparatus, it's important to ensure the hydrant is operable before deploying the large diameter hose line. The firefighter will first remove the largest cap and begin flowing water. This will ensure that any debris will be flushed out of the hydrant. After the hydrant is flushed and operable, the firefighter will deploy the supply line and wrap the hydrant. Once the supply line is secured, the firefighter will signal the driver operator to proceed to the scene. At this point, the firefighter can continue dressing the hydrant. One thing to remember is to attach the gate valve at an angle so it does not interfere with opening the hydrant. Once these appliances are connected, the firefighter will attach the LDH and communicate with the driver operator before opening the hydrant. Second, the driver operator makes the hydrant connection on their own. Once the apparatus is in pump mode, the driver operator will place their wheel chocks, ensure the hose bed is clear, and set the pump to the proper pressure. The driver operator should engage the pressure governor to ensure there is not a pressure increase once the hydrant is opened. At this point, the driver operator will flush the hydrant to ensure it is operable. When opening the hydrant, it is important to stand behind it in case the cap is loose or malfunctions. Once the hydrant is flushed, the driver operator will continue dressing the hydrant. If positioned close enough, the driver operator can use the short section of LDH stowed directly beneath the intake valve. When switching from tank supply to water supply from the hydrant, the driver operator ensures that the crew on the handline knows the switch is taking place. Before opening the intake valve, the driver operator bleeds the air from the line. Once the intake valve is open, the driver operator will ensure the handline has the correct pressure. They will close the tank to pump valve and fill the onboard tank.